day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, I want to big up all of the subscribers them. See, we're there 21,000, and if it wasn't for all of y'all, it wouldn't be possible. Now, I want to big up a special subscriber. Even though she not talk to me, me still a big her up. Me not have nothing against her. And she name Country Girl. Yeah, Country Girl, are you me attack? Big up yourself, even though you not talk to me. With that said, let's go. Now, I want to listen me upon that story. And this just happened August 15th. Yo, when you hear me talk about Trinidad, say it's a different kind of place, me I go say, yo, unique. Now, Trinidad, a gang leader from Trinidad, him send 2 hitman go to Trinidad to kill a man over Grenada. Now, Grenada is 90 miles from Trinidad, you know, just like how Cuba is 90 miles from Jamaica, so you know that's not far. You have a decent little speedboat, you can reach Grenada from Trinidad in no time. Now, me I show now how the man them miserable at Trinidad, you know. You see, you have a drug dealer or a gangster or a gang leader in their prison at Trinidad, you know. And him send 2 hitman go to Grenada, go take out a man. But things kinda go crazy. Now, the man where the gangster from Trinidad want to take out is, believe it or not, another man from Trinidad. I want to hear what me I say now. A gangster from Trinidad leave and go Grenada, go deal with some business, some of the white powder thing, baby powder. And a gangster where they are jail, know the man location, know the house where I go in a Grenada, send 2 hitman from Trinidad, go Grenada to the house where the gangster from Trinidad are stay in a Grenada and carry out a hit, but something go wrong. So the question is, how the police in a Grenada know this? Well, look at the screen in front of you right now. Now, this youth was arrested like a week later, and him name Charles. Now, the police charge him with conspiracy to commit murder, aiding and abetting, and some other charge related to accessory to the murder. Now, this youth got picked up and he spilled the beans to the police them, and the police get him phone and went through his phone. Now, this youth, how the police get on to him. Look at this. Now, read what's in front of y'all. Pretty much, I'm gonna summarize it for you. The police say they noticed a vehicle that was driving around near to the house where the man got shot and killed, and that's the wrong man. Now, this vehicle belong to Mr. Charles, this man right here. Now, Mr. Charles, him pull up at the house, and when him pull up at the house, him give this young man a dap. Let me show you the youth here. That's the youth right there, Delvon Thomas. Now Delvon Thomas must have exchanged some kind of word with Yo Chance. He went back upstairs and came back downstairs with another man, and by the time he come downstairs, two man was in the bushes, waiting for them, going for the gang member who came from Trinidad to visit that house. But the gang member had left and they thought he was inside there. And next thing you know, they shoot and kill this young man right here. And the owner of the house, he got shot in his arm. This is an upscale neighborhood in Grenada called Edgemont. It's the area Edgemont, pretty much rich people live up there. Now, the young man who got shot in his arm, his brother was a part of the government from 2008 to 2013. And them youth they mix up in the baby powder thing too, cause them know the gangster from Trinidad. Wanna see how crazy this is? So, me I try break it down for now and go now the last synopsis so you can understand what's going on. I bring all of the suspects them or all of the unusual players in front on right now. Look on this. Simulate out the phone now. See the youth there, him bring the hitman them to the house to kill the next Trinidad gangster who come visit on some cocaine business. Now the hitman them end up kill the youth there in the blue hat, and him are the wrong person, cause when they went to the house, for some reason the gangster had already left and they didn't know. Now I am bringing this story again to show y'all or everybody what's been going on in Trinidad and in that part of the region of the Caribbean. People talk about Jamaica every day. Jamaican this, Jamaican that, Jamaican this. And not because I am a Jamaican. I am not picking up for Jamaican. I am just using this statement about Jamaican as an example, a comparison. And I don't want people to say I hate Trinidad. What I am showing right here is facts. And this is showing the kind of extent that a man in Trinidad would go through to get rid of you. Now, when you hear me talk about Trinidad all the time, and what this video shows me are this situation. Trinidad have a long arm in the Eastern Caribbean, from Grenada to St. Vincent to all of the Grenadines, come right up St. Lucia and go all the way up. Them even in a Guyana, Venezuela, yo, the Trinidadian them arm even stretch over to Colombia. You see what I'm saying? Now, like me said, we do this video to highlight what's going on in the Caribbean and all over that region, and it just goes to show that the gang violence The gang violence, nobody is safe. Nobody. You could be uptown, they still coming for you if you don't be careful, because this people right here in this house was an uptown house. Was a guy the family was into diplomatic circles from 2008. And see what happened right there at his house. Well, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Like me say, we do this just to show the facts, and I am not picking on Trinidad. I'm out.